Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter from the book Beehive, and the name of this chapter is The Fun They Had. Now, this chapter, the title that it describes the fun which we had in a past. Okay, the fun which we had in a past, and the author of this chapter is Isaac Asimov. The writer of this chapter is a Russian born American writer. Okay, Russian born and American writer. So, in this chapter, I would like to say very first, the author tries to tell us about the classrooms and schools of the future. Okay, they will be a generally automated with robotic and mechanical teachers, and the story describes the feelings of the two students about the schools of the past, and they loved the schools of the past and wanted to be a part of that. They rejoice at the feeling of being taught by a human teacher. Okay. In online classes or e-learning classes, we learn through the computers. Okay, so there is a not a single that time we don't have the human interaction, so they rejoice at the feeling of being by the human teacher. Okay, so they want to be a human interaction. So they anticipate the fun of being together with the other children of their age. So they want to go in and learn in the they want to learn in the school of the past. So basically the aim of the school is to give the education, and the aim of education is to wholesome development of a human personality. Human personality means your physical, your moral, social, and we can say your entire personality should develop. So these social skills are developed with social mingling, and this social mingling is only possible in the school, not at the home. Okay, because when we come to school and where we mingle with each other, then we learn many things with others also. So right now we are not able to come to school, as we all know that we are isolated or quarantined just because of the present condition. So when you go to school, you have so many activities, events in your school, like celebration, festival celebration, dance, assemblies, games, and many more. So all those things I think you are missing. Obviously, I think you are missing. So even you are, I'm sure you are missing your friends also, teacher also. Okay, teachers also, even teachers also miss you. So in this chapter we are going to face similar situation. Okay, similar situation means right now we are facing the similar situation that will relevant, and you will feel more connected with this chapter. I'm sure that you feel more connected, because it's just relevant to our present condition, that because we are also learning from online classes nowadays just because of our present circumstances. So you feel the more connected with this chapter. So in this chapter, the fun they had is a futuristic story settled in 2157, and the main character of the story is a 11-year-old girl named Margie, and the other character is Tommy, a 13-year-old boy. So the story opens by saying that Tommy found a real book in the attic of his house. Okay, and they think that is a waste of this book is the waste as compared to the television. So let's start our chapter. So you can see in this picture also, in the future learning, we can say in our present also, that we are learning through the computers. Okay, virtual classes, and text are also moving on the screen, but we don't have, right now we don't have the robot, okay, robotic teacher. Still we have a human teacher, so that you can interact with your teacher also, okay. So this thing would will be happen in future also, definitely will happen in future. So the chapter starts with Margie. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. Okay, now the character is the Margie. She writes a diary every night. She writes the diary. So on the page headed 17 May to 2157. So we can say it shows about the future. Okay, so right now we are in 2020, but this story is about 2157, okay, about the future. So Margie wrote, today Tommy found a real book. Tommy found a real book in the sense, in their time they are learning through the computers and virtual classes, so they don't have the real material, real books, so they read books through the computers, okay. So Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. It was very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, so who said this? Margie's grandfather said that. What said that? That once once he was a little boy. Very first, who said that? The Margie's grandfather said that once he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on the paper, okay. तो जो मार्गी के जो ग्रैंडफादर हैं वो बताते हैं कि जो उनके जो ग्रैंडफादर थे उन्होंने बोला देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन द ऑल द स्टोरीज वर प्रिंटेड ऑन द पेपर, बिकॉज नाउ दिस टाइम दे आर रीडिंग द बुक्स एंड स्टोरीज थ्रू द कंप्यूटर्स. सो व्हेन दे टर्न the pages which were yellow, okay, which were yellow and crinkly. Now crinkly means there were so many lines and so many folds on the paper, and it was awfully funny to read. Very funny. Awfully means very funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way. Now while reading in the computer, the screen on the screen the text is moving, okay, we can click, and as you also see while the text is moving. So he says that while reading in a book, the text, the words stood still instead of moving, यानी कि वो जो words हैं they are not moving, they are stood still there, okay. So they were supposed to on a screen, you know, and then when they turn back to the pages before, okay, when we turn the pages before back, it had the same words on it, okay, the same words on it, because the words are there in the book. So it had when they read it the first time. So he said in the books we found the words are still there, but on the contrary when we read in the computer, through the computers, so the text are moving on the screen. So Guy, said Tommy. Okay, Guy means exclamation with surprise, okay, with surprise. Tommy said, Guy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. Now he said, Tommy says that he doesn't like the book, okay, doesn't like read the real book. So he says that it's totally just a waste, okay. And our television screen must have had a million books on it. He says that our television screen means computer, or it has the millions books, and many books are there on the screen. as we all know that we can find sometimes when we Google or search any type of book on Google, we can easily find there, but we still we don't have the real book in our hand. So he also said it is good for plenty more, I wouldn't throw it away. Now same with mine, said Margie. Margie also said she also don't like, she also liked the television or the telebooks, okay, and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. And he was 13. Now Tommy was 13-year-old, okay, and the Margie was 11-year-old, okay. So Margie is 11-year-old and Tommy was 13-year-old, okay. Now remaining part of the chapter we will continue in our